Hello everyone, I am Saranya, Assistant Professor in the Department of Graphics and Creative Design of Dr. S.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. In this video, we are going to see about the visual effects design and in that digital format ones. The first, we have to know about the data format. In multimedia, the data formats refers to the specific structure used to encode and store various types of multimedia content such as images, audio, video, and animation. Mostly, whenever we are using the data in multimedia, it's mostly come under the images, audios, videos, and animation. These formats determine how the data is presented and represented in the digital form, ensuring the components of different devices and applications. Moreover, the data is presented. Already we know the data is a collection of information. In multimedia, the data is presented in the digital format, which contains in the form of image, audio, video, and animations. For images, we are supporting the JPEG, PNG, and GIF. For audio, we need to use MP3, and for video we are using the MPEG 4, and animation is STL. Like that, we are using different formats for saving and visualizing the data. The next is characteristics of multimedia. The first one is compression, codes, compatibility, and quality and metadata. These are the characteristics of multimedia. Compression, the compression is nothing but is used to reduce the size of the data without losing its quality. The file size, moreover, whenever using the file in high capacity, that will be not easy to upload or view it in fastly. For that, we need to compress the file according to the format without losing any quality. Next is codes. It is used to encode and decodes the compress and decompress the audio and video data within that format. Next is compatibility. This format is used to play or used across the different devices and software. When we are using the devices and software, the compatibility is used to include encoding and decoding the particular data within different devices and software. Next is quality. Balancing between the file size and maintaining high quality multimedia content. The quality in the multimedia must be reliable, and the file size and maintain the high quality of the data content. Metadata. Some formats allows embedding additional information like titles, description, and copyright details. This is a metadata. It allows the user to add the additional informations like titles, description, and details. Data transfer. The data transfer refers to the movement or transmission of data from one location to another location. Data is transferred from one location to another location is mostly based on the transmission medium. The transmission medium can be in the form of guided or unguided. Guided is nothing but which contains the wire fully mentioned as a guide. Unguided is mostly in the wireless format. It involves the process of sending, receiving, or sharing digital information, which can include various type of content such as text, files, images, videos, or any other digital data. The data can be sent and received or share the digital information that is come under the data transfer using the transmission medium. Next is file format. This determines how data is organized and stored in a file. For example, it includes the docs for a document, MP3 for audio, MPEG for images. Protocols define rules for data transmission between the device or system. The TCP/IP, FTP, HTTP, and SMTP are the examples are used for internet communication. The file formats that is used to store and organize the data. For document we are using the DOC. For audio format we are using the MPEG. For images we are using the JPEG. Next is protocol. In that the transmission between the different devices and system, we are using the transmission media such as TCP/IP, that is transmission control protocol, internet protocol. FTP is file transfer protocol. HTTP is hypertext transfer protocol. SMT is simple mail transfer protocol. These are some of the examples which are used in the internet communication. Next is color depth. The color depth is also known as the bit depth, refers to the number of bits used to represent the color of a single pixel in a digital image or display. It quantifies the range of colors that can be displayed or stored in an image, determining the precision and the richness of the color reduction. Bits per second represent the number of bits used to represent the color of a single pixel in an image. Common depths include 8 bits is 256 color, 16 bit is 65,536 colors, 24 bits is 2 color, 16.7 million colors, 32 bits are add alpha channels for transparency. Color space defines the range and gamut of color that can be displayed or produced. Examples include RGB, CMYK, and lab color. Compression formats. The compression formats are method used to reduce the size of files or data for efficient storage, transmission, and processing while aiming to the maintain acceptable quality. Lossless compression. Without losing any quality, if we are reducing the files, that will be come under the lossless compression. That is zip, PNG, and FLAC. Use this method. Loosely compression. Reduce files by removing some data which may be result in the loss of quality. JPEG, MP3, and MPEG as use this method. Vector versus raster compression. Vector stores shapes and lines using mathematical equations, allows scaling without losing any quality. Raster stores in images as a grid or off pixel and can be lose quality when scalped up. Thank you.